हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. दिस इज महिमा. अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 10.2. सो जल्दी से हम पहले क्वेश्चन रीड कर लेते हैं. सो द क्वेश्चन सेज prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Okay, so I have a circle here, so I'll label its center as O. Okay, now I'll draw diameter of this circle. So this is diameter, and I label these two ends of this diameter as A and B. Okay, now we have to draw tangents at the ends of this diameter. So my first tangent is this. So this is tangent P, and my second tangent is this. This is tangent Q. Okay, now we have to prove that P is parallel to Q, right? Now we know theorem that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact, right? So this means P is perpendicular to OA and Q is perpendicular to OB. This means that this angle is 90 degree. Also, this angle is also 90 degree. Let's label these angles as angle 1 and angle 2. Okay, so we have angle 1 equals to angle 2. Both are equal to 90 degrees. Notice that angle 1 and angle 2 form a pair of alternate angles and both are equal to 90 degrees. Angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate angles. So this means lines P and Q are parallel. So we have proved that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel.